Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install VoiceMeeter Banana. I actually already did a tutorial on how to download and install VoiceMeeter, but I realized I never did it for VoiceMeeter Banana, so that's going to show you today. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr. And here as you can see on my Fiverr, you can get a logo or a banner or both for your YouTube channel if you want. But now back to the video. So what we're simply going to do is just type VoiceMeeter here. Go to VoiceMeeter Banana, there you go. And then just click the first one here. So immediately bring you to the Banana tab within the VB Audio website. So what we're going to do then is just go down. Just going to click on this one here, it's a zip file. It will start downloading in the upper right corner. Okay, as you can see, just finished. What we're going to do then is, in case you want to use the virtual audio cable as an output, you can go right over here and just click on the first one here if you have Windows or Mac. I'm going to go for the Windows one. Now what you simply can do then is just go up here and go show in folder. What we're going to do first, I'm just going to go ahead to the VoiceMeeter setup here. Now it's actually called VoiceMeeter Banana, but they also call it VoiceMeeter Pro. So just click on it. Say yes if Windows asks you. And then here you just click install. It will just open this tab on the website here and just click OK here. It's basically to say that the installation was successful. So then we want to go back. You actually want to go to the other one, so for the virtual audio cable in case you want to use that. Now for the second one here, for the virtual audio cable, you want to have the VK cable driver pack 43, but what you probably want to do is click on it and actually extract it. And there you go, that will open this window here, this is the one that you need. Then you go down and have to search for this one here, the VK cable setup 64. Definitely advise you to use the 64. What you're going to do then is important. You're going to right click, and people have asked me this in the past. It's actually to run as administrator. This is how you do it. So it's very important. Click on it. Once again, if Windows asks you something, say yes. And here's going to be the same thing. Just click install driver. And there you go. There you go. You can just close all of the other windows. So what I'm going to do now is actually just restart my computer. You should too, because actually the software itself asks you to do that. So I'll just be right back in a moment just to restart my computer. Okay, there you go. I'm back. I restart my computer. So what I'm going to do now is going to go here, click VoiceMeeter Banana. Just click on it. And as you can see, here is the whole software. So I just want to show you, if you want to use the output of virtual audio cable, you go to the A1 and you actually select the ME and you select the cable input VB Audio Virtual C. That's the one that you want to select in case you want to use that as an output. In any case guys, there you go. That's how you actually download and install VoiceMeeter Banana. So I hope it helped. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.